Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Before starting this video, I will again like to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button until your screen breaks, because you can't find quality content anywhere which I give to you. In this video, I will tell you the way by which you can connect your custom domain to free hosting, and I will also tell you the way to install WordPress on your hosting. Now, let's get started. Open Chrome and go to Freenom dashboard. This is my domain name, which I'm going to connect to the free hosting and install WordPress. Now, go to infinityfree.net. This is the best hosting, as it provides unlimited disk space, unlimited MySQL database, unlimited add-on domains, unlimited subdomains for free, and the main thing is that it is completely free for lifetime. Now, sign up to this website. I already have an account in this website, so I will log in. After you sign up, you will not find any account here. You just have to click create account button. Go to custom domain section. Add the domain name which you have purchased for free with freenom.com. After you added your domain name, click on search domain button. Now, fill the details which Infinity Free wants. Now, this is the most important step. See the step carefully. Copy these two name servers carefully, and edit the name servers in Freenom. Go to Management Tools, Name Servers, and use Custom Name Servers. Add the two name servers to Name Server 1 and Name Server 2 respectively. After you edited the name servers, enter the account details. After you added the account, you will see that our account has been added on our custom domain. Now, go to control panel of our website. Now, you must click on I approve button. Now, our panel is loaded. Now, go to add-on domains, and add the domain which you have selected. We have successfully added our domain name. Now, go to Softaculous Apps Installer. Now, click on WordPress. Add all the details. I have added all the details. Now, click on Install. And, it will start installing WordPress. Now when you will go to your website, you will find this error. Now, I will tell the solution of this error. Go to Online File Manager. Click on this Add button. Now, we have successfully overcome this error. Now we can also log in to our WordPress dashboard. That is all for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like and share this video to all your friends. Till the next video, bye bye.